going to see how to get a perfect eyebrow shape with the concealing technique. Start applying. Just fill in the gaps. So yeah, once we have done with our filling and shaping, we are going to conceal it, okay? So when we are concealing, if suppose they have extras like this, then we would have to take a little bit of darker color concealer and then try to place the product on top of that, okay? So once we have covered it with dark color, then let's take a lighter color and place it on top of that. Because if you take directly light color and apply it, it will start looking grey. So once the below part is done, let's take a foundation shade to conceal above. So whatever is left over, just blend it. And look, this is how the final look will be after concealing. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. So if you like this video, please do like, share, comment and save this video for future reference. Bye bye Winsome family. Here is your Lakshmi Kannan
and Ritika
signing off from you.